so I have the diary, the Princess Diaries for sale, and this is 20 shipped in the US. If you are international, we can discuss shipping in my email in the description box below. So this is how it looks on the front and the back. Okay, and then your name will go down here and it'll say the Glitter Diary, and it'll have a strap that comes around to the front and it'll be velcroed. So it is 20 shipped in the US, and this has 20 bags. They're all 1 heaping teaspoon, closer to 1.5. So your first page has your iridescent green hollowed circles, your holographic lime green squares, your holographic teal keys, your holographic 015 seafoam. You open it up and you have your holographic silver Hello Kitty heads, your beautiful, beautiful Dragon's Breath black iridescent in the 040. And just look at the beautiful color on that. Then you have your holographic silver roosters, your warm tone iridescent pearlescent Mickey heads, your beautiful purple mylar butterflies with the blue and golden tone, your beautiful iridescent hollowed pink berry circles. Then on your next page you have your beautiful holographic blue scissors, your beautiful, beautiful warm tone bunny heads, your beautiful blue fantasy, very pretty. Then you have your holographic turquoise hexies. You open her up and you have here your holographic black high heels, your beautiful 040 Snow White Iris. Then you have your matte dandelion yellow 062 hexie, your iris yellow Mickey heads, your matte orange hexie 062, and then your holographic golden MAC apples. So if you ladies are interested, my email will be in the description box below, and I will be adding gifts to this, of course, and you will be receiving these 2 gifts here. This is my Mickey, let me start with this one. This one is my Mickey Coastal Waters mix, and it has the blue iridescent and the cool tone Mickey heads and the warm tone Mickey heads in it. Beautiful, beautiful mix. And then you have your Mickey Great Palms, and this is the green with the warm tone Mickey heads in here. So you'll receive those 2 as gifts, and others as well with some nail art. And that is 20 shipped in the US. And if you're international, we'll discuss shipping in my email box below. So that is it, ladies, and until my next video, which is coming up shortly, bye.